I'm Alessia Pica from Sapienza University of Rome. I'm Italian, and with this talk I want to tell you about my research group results in urban geomorphological analysis. And I want to share with you our new project about geoarchaeology role in this kind of studies. Urban geomorphological analysis is very interesting in Rome. The man made so much transformation to the early morphology, and the urbanization layers deeply modified it. 3,000 years of history are well recorded in the actual landscape. And in order to map this landscape and the traces of early morphology, we built a specific methodology for urban environment analysis. It is a multi-temporal and multidisciplinary analysis based on the materials shown in the picture. Two geomorphological maps of Rome at different scale are now available thanks to our studies. About data availability, we notice two fundamental aspects. We have most of data starting from the 16th century, such as topographical data, photographical, paintings, documents, and etc. And the archaeological data are really helpful in this kind of analysis and very abundant in Rome, of course. But as shown in the timeline, this kind of data are not very well represented in our map. This is the reason why our new project will explore geoarchaeological data about Rome. Among the purposes of the urban environmental analysis, urban geoheritage inventory is very challenging and really interesting, especially in a city like Rome, where the mixture of culture and nature is very exciting. Our analysis highlighted 12 geosites within Rome city center. 3 of them are shown in the picture, and their characteristics are described. The heavy human presence often modifies or blinds the landforms and the geological point of interest in the urban environment. For this reason, a urban geosites classification was proposed in 2017. In our paper, concepts as invisible geosites are deeply exemplified. Also, the assessment of urban geosites needs a specific method. We published a qualitative proposal in 2017, and based on the results of this study, we started valorization of Rome geoheritage. A geotourist itinerary is the main theme of the GeoGuide Rome application for smartphone. It was developed in collaboration with Lausanne University, and it is one of our tools for geoheritage popularization. The new project aims to widen geoarchaeological knowledge. Our work will start from existing studies, thanks to the huge database available in Rome. In particular, the archaeological database is very huge. Our previous studies obtained lots of information from studies related to the tube digs, so the method digging studies will be our sources. The line in Rome completely covered the study area, as shown in this picture, where you can see in gray our study area, and in colored lines the tube lines. It will allow a very complete analysis. In order to start new geoarchaeological studies, collaboration with geoarchaeologists and archaeologists, landscape archaeologists in particular, at national and international level are welcome. We are looking for collaborations. So this is an invitation for those interested who are listening my presentation. Deliverables of this study will be GIS layers of geohistorical data that will enrich the information in the geomorphological map. This study will also broaden the geosite inventory and will allow to improve the GeoTourist map. But above all, we expect to analyze the results of geoarchaeology in order to evaluate the weight of geohistorical data in assessment of geosites. The qualitative method for geosite assessment described in 2017 will thus be improved by the quantitative definition of the value of geosites. Thank you for your attention.